And let's turn our attention now to Maharashtra. With civic polls approaching, ticket distribution has triggered high voltage drama across districts. From tears and public confrontations to rebellion within parties, here's what happened once nominations were locked.
Battleground Maharashtra is set. The countdown to civic polls is on, and with nominations filed and tickets sealed, the state saw a lot of drama and emotion. In Jalgaon, emotions spilled over after the BJP denied a ticket to an aspiring woman candidate. At Hotel Royal Palace, Sangeeta Patil and her family surrounded BJP MLA Suresh Bhole, questioning the party's decision. The family broke down in tears, sobbing publicly as they demanded answers. A similar scene played out in Jalna. A woman aspirant denied a BJP ticket, confronted former MLA Kailas Gorantyal outside the civic office, accusing the BJP of betrayal. After she quit Congress to join the party, she fell at his feet, crying uncontrollably. In Chandrapur, aspiring candidate Shyam Bobre was seen sobbing uncontrollably after being denied tickets by both BJP and Congress. Bobre broke down outside Congress MP Pratibha Dhanorkar's office after returning empty-handed. In Sambhajinagar, rebellion erupted within the AIMIM. Close aides of MP Imtiaz Jalil publicly accused him, triggering dramatic scenes at the nomination centre. With the nomination deadline over and gates shut, only token holders were allowed entry, adding to the chaos. The episode exposed serious rifts within Asaduddin Owaisi's party. And in Thane, the anger turned explosive. Late-night chaos erupted at the BJP's central office after a ticket in Ward number 15 was allotted to a recent defector from the NCP Ajit Pawar faction. Senior BJP leaders' tickets were cut, triggering midnight protests by angry workers who stormed the office. From tears on the streets to rebellion within party ranks, Maharashtra's civic elections have laid bare the internal fault lines over ticket distribution.